Are credit repair agencies worth it?
That's a great question. Man, you got a lot of, these are pretty impressive questions, actually. They really are. Are credit repair agencies worth it? The truth of the matter is anything you do to fix your credit, anything, just monitoring it, just being aware of it is good. Mm-hmm. So I'm never going to say credit repair agencies are bad. What you have to be careful with is there's different levels of credit repair agencies out there. There just are. It's just tough. I mean, it's hard. I know some people that own some credit repair agencies. They are great people. Mm-hmm. I think also there's a level of expectation. I think people expect that if I pay this credit repair company over the next 30 to 60 days, my credit magically is going to go up 100 points in a month. It takes a long time. It's like, again, here I go with analogies. It's like hiring a personal fitness trainer. Mm-hmm. You hire a personal fitness trainer, you've been living the wrong lifestyle for 30 years, and you hire a personal trainer, it's going to take them 1 or 2 or 3 years to get you into shape. So credit repair is the same. I think if you have the right expectations that this is going to take time and money and patience, I think most credit repair agencies are probably good places. Mm-hmm. I personally tell people that the only person, in my opinion, that could do it right is you. And you've got to, when you're vested and you're interested, you will attack it and you will go after it. 30 minutes a week, once a week on Sundays, make a commitment to that and do it every week is what I tell people. I could talk for hours on this stuff, but of course I appreciate the opportunity. Yes. That's beautiful. So pay attention to it.